list of AI governance and security frameworks keeps growing. But here's the real question. How do you know which ones actually matter for your business? The truth is, no single framework covers it all. Each one solves a different piece of the AI risk puzzle, from technical vulnerabilities to regulatory compliance and customer trust. The smartest organizations aren't choosing just one. They're strategically layering the right frameworks to secure their AI supply chain, govern their AI lifecycle transparently, build customer and market trust, prove compliance to regulators and partners. Here's a quick breakdown to help you prioritize the ones that fit your business goals. ISO 42001, governance across the entire AI lifecycle. ISO 27001, Foundational Info Security. SOC 2, Trust for SaaS and Healthcare. NIST AI RMF, Strategic Risk Management. OWASP and SAF, Developer First Security. Together, these frameworks turn AI risk into AI readiness. Here's what leading organizations are doing. Pair ISO 42001 with ISO 27001 for full-stack governance. Use NIST AI RMF to drive risk programs. Embed OWASP and SAIF into dev workflows. Get SOC 2 to earn trust in regulated markets. AI governance isn't about choosing one framework. It's about building the right system for your business to innovate responsibly. Want to see how leading organizations are doing it? Download the free white paper, a practical guide to AI governance. Your roadmap to responsible AI starts here.